Want to use Lark Player to listen to music on your iPhone? Here's what you need to know. First and most important, Lark Player is not available on the Apple App Store for iPhones. Apple's strict guidelines mean this app cannot be downloaded like a normal app. The main way to access a service like Lark Player on an iPhone is through its web version. Simply open the Safari browser and go to the official Lark Player website. You can then use the service directly in your browser. For a more app-like experience, you can add the website to your home screen. Tap the Share button in Safari and select Add to Home Screen. This will create an icon that opens the web player. Be aware that the features of the web version may be more limited compared to a full app. Also, always ensure you are using the official website to protect your device's security. This is the primary method for using Lark Player on an iPhone. Enjoy your music.